Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can unlock your team lineup slot and you can manage your team lineup in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So I made this video for beginner or new into this game. Previously this game is FIFA Mobile, but right now is EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So let's get started by tapping club. So this is your club page, and you can edit your lineup by tapping this formation. Go to team editing, tap the team editing. As you can see, you can edit your formation here, and also you can unlock this formation if you level up the star pass or progressing your level. You can unlock this. Like level 20, you can unlock this 424. Let's get to the lineups, the last option. Here you can manage your lineup. You can unlock extra lineup at level 15, and also you can purchase this lineup in the store after reaching level 15. As the current lineup, you can edit it. Tap the icon setting, this is the icon setting, the setting icon, sorry. Tap it, and this is the lineup setting. You can rename your lineup. You can delete your lineup. You can learn the condition here. If you delete this lineup, your player will be still available in your roster. And also you can league tournament lineup. You can set it in here, and if you're done, tap save. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.